Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to troubleshoot this TechnoGYM treadmill, and I think it's my first video over the repairing of TechnoGYM. So as far as it's concerned with repairing and maintenance, the TechnoGYM is somehow complicated equipment, and it's not very easy to troubleshoot such kind of thing, because its inverter is very complex and its electronics and its control circuits are very sophisticated. So but actually this is the treadmill, and if you are familiar with the TechnoGYM, remember that the TechnoGYM is Italian, and it has the incline of 24 volt or 48 volts. So once we power up the treadmill, it resets its inclination level. Like first it goes upward, then down, and the limit switches installed with the treadmills, they give some signal to the inverter, and then it starts. But this equipment is showing us the equipment blocked, and apparently as I have mentioned earlier, that it's not an easy task to troubleshoot the TechnoGYM, but some things can help us to troubleshoot this inverter. So here we can see, here we have the 4 lights, and this red light is for the high voltages, so it's mean its capacitors are charged, and these light means since the capacitor bank is installed inside this inverter, and they are used to drive the motor installed over here. Okay, and here we have the another light, and this is the light which indicates us 24 volts. It's mean that the 24 volts are present, and the full, or in other words we can say the 24 volts are being generated. And another, here we have 2 LEDs. The first one is for the 12 volts, 12 volt DC, so it's mean 12 volts DCs are also generated. And here is the another LED which is not powered up, and it's a 5 volt LED, and it should be on. So here we can see that there is some problem with this inverter, and it's not this light is not powered up. So if I plug it and here we can see there's no change, and if I power it up, and also there's no change. So what I gonna do, first let me show you the inner structure of this inverter. And so here we have the internal structure. So here you can see, so the capacitor bank, and here we have the circuit. But this is this inverter has 2 cards, the first one and the second one. So first one is the ALE card, and second one is another card. So where first I will remove the screws, I will remove this card, and then we will troubleshoot. But in a simple words we can say this light should on. So we will try to work over it, so that we should have 5 volt over here. So let's proceed. Okay, now I have removed the upper card, and here we have the upper card, and here we have the lower card, and this is actually the power card, which generates power to like 24 volts, the 5 volt, and 12 volts. So let's troubleshoot it in a more specific manner.